Outstanding design defines the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and much more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.